नमस्कार. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या साश्टिक कार्यावळीत तुमचे येवकार. आज आम्ही जो विषय घेतात तो साश्टिक रिलेटेड ना. आज आम्ही विषय घेतात तो पणजे महापालिकेक जो आज निकाल लागला आणि अशें की सगळ्यांक दिसतलें की आमी पणजेकार हो जो पॅनल आसा तो बऱ्यापैकी फायट दितलो, पण तशें जावूंक ना. सो आमी आतां जे पणजे कितें जालां तें फुडें गोंयाकय अशेंच जातलें काय गोंयाक वेगळें कितें जातलें ह्या विशयाचेर आमी चर्चा करपाक हांगा आयल्यात. आनी आमचे बरोबर आसात ते आमचे राजकीय विश्लेशक म्हणून तांकां आमी वळखतात ते एडवोकेट क्लिओफात अल्मेदा कुतिनो. हांकां क्लिओफात येवकार तुका. तर म्हाका एक सांग, पयलीं म्हणटा ते एज आमी म्हणजे जालां ते पणजे आमी बसले हांगा मडगांव, तुका इतलो बाबुशाचो पॅनल स्वीप करतलो अशें दिशिल्लें
ना? म्हाका दिशिल्लें बाबूश जिखतलो हें शुअर आशिल्लो हांव. जायत जाणां हांवें फोन केल्ले ते म्हणटाले बाबूश इज सर्टनली फॉर्मिंग द पॅनल. I was told that there is a fight in about 18 constituencies. म्हाका दिशिल्लें तेका एक 23-7 अशें जातलें म्हणून.
8 ते 10
23-7 8-22 अशें जावन तो पॅनल करतले अशें म्हाका दिशिल्लें.
सो ना आतां रिजल्ट आयला तेजो पयल्यार तुका एज अ एनालिसीस जर करतलो ह्या रिजल्टाचेर तूं हाव यू वील एनालायज दिस?
ना, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी ही हॅज शोन हीज बाबूश हॅज शोन हीज पावर, नो डावट अबाउट इट. आनीक एंगेलो थोडो फोर्स कमी पडलो, बट गुड दॅट दे केम टुगेदर एंड गेव ए युनायटेड फायट. अदरवायज इट मे हॅव बीन अ वॉक ओवर फॉर हिम. सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ गिविंग अ वॉक ओवर तेमी एकठांय जावन एक फायट दिली. सो इन अ इलेक्शन डेमोक्रेसी दिस इज अ गुड वे ऑफ कमिंग टुगेदर एंड ट्रायंग टू डिथ्रोन द people in power. आणि एक जाण जा सी लोकल बॉडीज इलेक्शन, municipalities or corporations or जिल्हा panchayats, the sitting government normally manages. Normally they win. It is only when the government is extremely unpopular that they lose also the local bodies polls. हे normally जाता.
सो दिस इज आय थिंक तूं म्हणटे प्रमाणे हो रिजल्ट येता नॉर्मल रिजल्ट.
वो नॉर्मल रिजल्ट नो, इट इज स्लाइटली एबनॉर्मल बिकॉज सच अ स्वीप वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड. बिकॉज ऑल पार्टीज सगळे बरोबर आयिल्ले. काँग्रेसीन उत्पलाक सपोर्ट दिल्लो, काँग्रेसीन आपान सपोर्ट केल्लो. सो हे सगळे तर पळयलें जाल्यार दिसतालें की देर वूड बी अबाउट से 15-18 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज गुड फायट.
दुसरें म्हणटा ते आमी पणजेकार म्हणटा हे कडेन तांचे चॉयस जर पळयलो जाल्यार वेगवेगळ्या सेक्शनाक ताणें रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिल्लें.
करेक्ट, दॅट इज करेक्ट. नो, बट सी एवरीबडी सेज वन थिंग, that Babush's ground machinery is well oiled. That works very well. So this is,
and that is 24/7.
Correct. So his oil, yes, it works very well. There is no doubt about it. So this time he must have put more efforts. And efforts from the other side were lacking. And in any case, Babush managed Panjim even when Manoj Parrikar was alive. Panjim. So there is no doubt that he has only re-established his supremacy in Panjim.
तर म्हाका एक आमी ते पणजेच्या इश्यू कडेन येवचे पयलीं म्हणजे पयलीं आमचे स्मार्ट सिटीचो प्रॉब्लेम आशिल्लो तरी आसतना काय ना ते ताजेर येवया आमी. पूण म्हाका एक आमी सदांच म्हणटाले की सगळे ओपोजिशन एकठांय आयल्यार BJP सारको जो ऑर्गनायज्ड पार्टी आसा जी तूं म्हणटा तशी वेल मशीन्ड आतां इलेक्शना भितर पार्टी आसा दॅट कॅन बी ताका डिसलॉज करपा जाता म्हणून इन पेंजीम. This formula has failed.
See, correct. This formula has failed, and it also depends. The formula depends upon what is the base at which you went to the elections. Ata padai in Bihar padai to Tamil Nadu padai. They are looking at a base. BJP NDA in Bihar had a big base. They had to win. In Tamil Nadu, their base is weak. They don't have a broad base. So they are trying to take Vijay into their base. So once the base is broad, then your election outcome becomes sure. Sometimes, even when the base is broad, it does not work. Like say when Mayawati and Akhilesh came together, their base was broad, but chemistry did not work. Now that is rare.
Okay.
But for you to win elections by coming together, then the base has to be broad.
Okay.
But the same thing we cannot apply to entire Goa.
Okay.
Because in Panjim, AAP must be having a very small base.
Yes, okay. Yeah.
Congress must be having a very small base. And when we talk of Utpal's personal following, Congress's and AAP's following, so the base must be narrow. So according to me, BJP has a bigger base, much bigger base than Congress, Utpal and AAP.
It is BJP or it's Babush?
According to me, if you ask me, it is Babush's panel. But after elections, कित झाले ते म्हाका काय खबर ना. दामूय मुटा Babush's panel म्हणले. But after election,
No, he has accommodated around 7 to 8%.
no, after elections, Babush म्हणटा it is BJP panel. So maybe after election, तेकाय मातशे doubt पडलो, कितली मेळटले, कितली ना मेळटले अशें दिसता. Even he was in doubt. It looks like that.
Yeah.
So he said this is a BJP panel.
Yeah.
But for me, it was Babush panel.
Yeah, okay. No.
No, for me it was Babush panel. For me it was Babush panel, fully backed by BJP.
No,
because
whose
BJP,
base? Whose base it is? BJP's base or Babush's base?
I would say it is BJP's base. Sorry, I am saying it is Babush's base, and BJP has provided support.
Okay.
One.
Okay.
Number two, keep in mind that even earlier it was Babush's base only,
Okay.
and BJP was only providing support. One more thing, possibly it looks like BJP does not want to accommodate another Parrikar in their scheme of things.
Okay.
So that possibly is the reason why BJP also opposed Parrikar in a big way.
No. It तशें जाला काय जो कितें उत्पल परिकार इट्स जस्ट अ हायप मीन्स एक म्हणटा ते आमचे कितें
According to me, no, I will answer. According to me, it was a hype. It should not have been a Utpal Parrikar panel. It ought to have been an opposition panel.
Opposition panel.
The very word opposition was required there. But then what happened was the other side was Babush's panel. So this side became Utpal's panel. It should have been opposition panel.
ते म्हारग पडले काय म्हण उत्पल पॅनल म्हणते म्हारग पडले काय म्हण opposition.
अशें म्हाका दिसता अशें मातशें म्हारग पडपाक शकता because there would be a section in society which has to choose between a Babush-led BJP panel and a Utpal panel who comes from RSS.
Okay.
See, there is a section which has to choose between BJP and RSS. So for them, it would be a difficult choice.
So, दोतोर एक दिसता हे जर पळयलें जाल्यार इवन सगळे एकठांय येतात.
Yeah.
आतां पणजे एकठांय आयले,
Yeah.
काँग्रेस आयले, कोणते आप आयले, उत्पल आयलो.
Yeah.
पूण हांगा हे आशिल्ले ते उत्पल इज फ्रॉम RSS बेस आनी हे आशिल्ले ते वी कॉल दॅट सेक्युलर बेस. सो दॅट कॉम्बिनेशन जे मनांतल्यान जे एकठांय येवपाक जाय तशें जायना. दिस इज एडजस्टमेंट.
Yeah, possibly the chemistry also did not work very well in Panjim. Possibly it has happened.
Yeah.
But in any case, let us see one thing. Their base was small. If you take BJP out, then it becomes Utpal's personal base, Congress and AAP. So the base is small.
Okay.
And the chemistry helping that base does not arise.
Okay. तर आम्ही परत लास्ट ह्याच हाजेर आमी लास्ट येवया. पण म्हाका आनीक एक दोन हे मेन म्हणटात ते उत्पल परिकार. आतां म्हणटा तशें हायप केल्लो हे केलो तुका दिसता ही इज अ मॅच्युअर्ड पॉलिटिशियन बिकॉज इट इज फायट अगेन्स्ट बाबूश. बाबूश इज अ व्हेरी मॅच्युअर्ड मीन्स पॉलिटिकली मॅच्युअर्ड अगेन्स्ट उत्पल. हे जर पळयल्यार कितें दिसता?
See, the very fact that he managed to put up a panel.
Okay,
the very fact that 30 people stood together.
Okay.
The very fact that none of 30 withdrew. According to me, he is quite a matured person. Quite a matured politician. The very fact that he could get Congress with him. The very fact that he could get up with him. So I would say full marks to him on that count.
So डिस्कार्ड
ना हांव डिस्कार्ड करिना ताका. नो नो वे नो वे.
सो हाजो परिणाम कितें हातूंक जावपाक शकता इन 2027
2027 म्हाका दिसता बाबुशान आपल्यागेली पोझिशन सेफ अशी केल्या अशें हे रिजल्टान तरी दिसता.
ओके ओके. सो जर आनीक आतां तूं म्हणटा तशें की इट्स बाबुशाचे थंय प्रभाव आशिल्लो ना कोण म्हणनात. इवन लास्ट कोण म्हणटा ते बाबूश जिखता.
करेक्ट.
पूण ही वील गेट अराउंड 20 मागीर
हांव सांगता तुका लास्ट 2 nights
Yeah.
I have been phoning various friends who are in the media
ओके
and they have been telling me nare there is a fight. One thing is very clear, there is a fight. But 23-24 घेतलो तो. 22 घेतलो तो. These are the results. These are the response.
ओके. म्हाका आनीक हांव ताका लागून म्हणटा तुका आतां आमी पणजे पळोवया आनी सेम आतां फॉर्मुला मडगांव.
Yeah.
बिकॉज आतां बसून जर फ्रॉम 2019 टू 2022 जरी सरकार बीजेपीचें आशिल्लें जाल्यार बसून हांगा दिगंबर कामत आनी विजय सरदेसाय एकठांय येवन आपले कावन्सील जिखून हाडटाले. आतां पोजिशन चेंज जालां. दिगंबर कामत बीजेपी कडेन आसा, विजय सरदेसाय ह्या वटेन आसा. आतां मडगांवां काँग्रेस तितली स्ट्रॉंग आसा काय तेंय खबर ना म्हाका. पूण आतां विजय आनी हे करतले अगेन्स्ट दिगंबर आनी दामू हांचे पॅनल आसा. सो हांगा कितें हांगा कोणाचो हे दिसता तुका?
No, that we have to wait. We have to wait because आनी एक दुसरें पळय तूं मडगांव शाश्टीत आसा. It's a big factor.
Yeah.
While in Salset, it has been a Congress bastion. Digambar has been in the Congress party for some time. But of course, Digambar will have his personal base. Now, how much is his base? How much is the Congress base? How much Vijay can help Margaon? And how much Congress can come together in Margaon?
Okay.
See, that is also very important.
Yeah.
See, they have to, we are talking of AAP and Congress coming together. But the various groups within the Congress have to also stand together. And show that they mean a fight.
तर आमी एक जर पळयलें जाल्यार पणजेचेच हे करता आमी म्हणटाले ते स्मार्ट सिटीक लागून पणजेची वाट लागल्या. सामके दिसान दीस पणजेकार इवन पणजेकार सरकाराक गाळी मारताले. गाळी म्हळ्यार अक्षरशः गाळी मारतात. थंय पडून हातूंत ट्रेंचा पडून मेले आनी कितें जालें हे जालें आनी ताका लागून पणजेकारा भितर एक सामको राग आसा. अशें आय डू नॉट नो वेदर इट इज अ ग्रावंड रिलेटीव ऑर परसेप्शन. पूण आमी भायल्यान आतां पणजेकाराक कित्याक पणजेकाराक खबर आसा हांवूय पणजेकार न्ही तूंय पणजेकार न्ही. अशें आसतना अशें दिसतालें की ताजें रिफ्लेक्शन हे आमी CCPचें रिफ्लेक्शन लागतलें.
कितें आहा तो राग पळय म्हणटा राग आसताच. आनीक स्मार्ट सिटी टायम भरपूर राग आशिल्लो. बट तो एंगर ऑपोजिशनाक हार्वेस्ट करपाकूय कॅपॅसिटी आसपा जाय. सी इट लुक्स लायक दॅट एंगर these people could not build on and win. Possibly whatever votes they got. See, it is, if you look at the winning margin, it is in the range of, most of them are in the range of below 100. All are below 30, 60, 40, 80. एक 235 बी आहा. No doubt. पूण तूं पळयलें जायत, you can also think that rag has come in the victory margin. One. And if that was not there, maybe these people would not be in a position even to put up a panel. So, but they fell short of harvesting that anger.
Or तू म्हणटा एखादी खरें आसत कांय लोकांक पडूनच गेले नासले इश्यूज आहात ते म्हणल्यार तांगे कशें आसतालें बाबूश ताजेर एक हे आहा की बाबूश म्हणटा सो 24/7 365 days.
Correct. See, there is a section in society which depends on the person. Like we will find there will be a section in Margaon which will be depending on Digambar Kamat. There is a section in Panjim which depends on Babush. There is a big section in Satari which depends on Rani. So whatever you say, it does not matter to them. So that section is always it is that kingdom. And problem जात कितें आमगे गोंयांत असले किंगडम चड जाले. Like you have Kandoli, Kalangut, Michael Lobo, who is also influencing Saligaon. Then you have we had Babu Kavdekar in Kepe at one time, no longer there now. So like that we will find And our constituencies are also small.
Yeah.
See, you require about 8,000
Yeah.
to win.
तूं म्हणटा हांगा जर तुजे कडेन 200 मनीस आसता
In Panjim, you see.
200 मनीस जाल्यार जिखता.
200 मनीस जाल्यार जिखता. The constituencies are about 1,000. And they are all getting about 335, 340, 350, 425.
तुजे कडेन स्वताक 200
जिखलो तूं. So all that you require is 2,000.
Yeah.
And for an assembly constituency, it is about 2,000 to 2,500 in a 3-corner contest.
तू गेलो
Yes. You are a person who can demand a ticket from any party. And in Goa,
if you are having a 4,000 votes of your own, you can win.
We can win also. Yes.
So आता वोट जर हे सगळं जर पळयलें, we are heading towards 2027 assembly election. It may be in 2026 also.
Correct.
So एक आता तुका मेन म्हणटा पयलीं येवपा आसा जाय आमचे म्युनिसिपालिटी.
Yes.
What is your means, because आता जर पळयलें जाल्यार तूं
according to me आमगे municipality elections लेगून the opposition will have to come together. Like Vijay will have to work a strategy with the Congress party in Margaon. Like similarly in Mapsa, Vasco, the opposition will have to work out strategy to remain together. So that is their only salvation. Otherwise, opposition parties do not have capacity to win on their own. Their voter base is not so huge that they can challenge the BJP. And in any case, BJP is a well-organized party. So they have to increase their base. And their base has to increase if they can challenge the BJP. Otherwise, there is no point in challenging.
And what about assembly elections?
Same strategy. See, assembly elections, according to me, Congress, Goa Forward, RG, and maybe even AAP. We'll have to work out a strategy and stay together. See, last time, Congress would have won had it not been for TMC, AAP, and RG.
Main RG.
No, TMC, all of them. TMC took about 10% vote, RG took another 10% vote, AAP took about 5-6% vote.
So 26% vote.
Yes, went out. So
out of that,
according to me, if all these come together, then the base becomes strong. Once the base is strong, then they have to work on the chemistry. And how they can work on the chemistry is they have to do it in advance. So that they have to tell the people also that we are serious of challenging the ruling party.
So आमकां आतां आमचे डिस्कशन काबार करता आसतना अशें म्हणपाक शकता की आतां जे पणजेचे CCP इलेक्शन जालां ते सगळे पार्टी आयदर BJP धरया किंवा बाकीचे ऑपोजिशन पार्टी, तो एक फॉर्म्युला, तो एक आमचो वचपाचो आमी अशें म्हणटात मार्ग म्हणटात पळय.
Yes, according to me that is the formula.
सो हे लक्षात घेवन जातले वर्कआउट जातले तांचे अशें दिसता तुका?
It can work out. So they have to be in a contest, no? If they don't come together, they are not even in a contest.
सो तूं आमी आतां सामकें लास्ट काबार करता आसतना एक म्हाका सांग की यू आर हॅपी वॉट एवर हॅज हॅपन, मिन्स हॅपी म्हणल्यार something कांय नाशिल्लें थंय कितें तरी
जालें. Yes, I am saying so, because otherwise it could have been 30-0. 30-0, it could have been a walkover for him. So the combined opposition in Panjim saw to it that Babush does not get a walkover. He swept the elections.
So हेच होच हे म्हाका दिसता आमचे आतां रोखडेच म्युनिसिपालिटी आनी ताचे फाटल्यान इतले विधानसभा हातूंत भितर जर
Ponda by election is another indicator, because Ponda is not in Salsette. Ponda is a bastion of the MG party and BJP. So if they can manage Ponda, according to me, it will send a strong signal to the people that we are together. But Ponda, they have to fight together.
So but main thing is that they should be serious.
Yes,
they should
correct.
Pass on the signal that we are together.
If that signal goes, then according to me, a lot can be achieved.
So हाजेर आमी चर्चा थांबयतात. एक दोतोरान एक नवो एक पर्सपेक्टीव म्हणला ती एक म्हणटा ते सगळे म्हणटात की ना जर बाबुशान स्वीप केले हातूंत आनी एक एंगल आहा, ओपोजिशनान स्टार्ट केले.
Yes.
स्वीप केल्या परस एकले स्टार्ट खंय नासता स्टार्ट केले. सो जर हे स्टार्ट जर फुडें उरले जाल्यार जे कितें आमकां म्हणजे गोंयकाराक दिसता की जावपाक जाय अशें म्हण तें जावप शक्य आसा. सो हातूंतल्यान म्हाका दिसता दोगूय जाण BJP धडो घेतले, ओपोजिशन धडो घेतले आनी म्हाका दिसता एक स्टार्ट जाला.
पळोवया अशें जात जाल्यार.
जाल्यार पळोवया. इतलेंच म्हणया तेणी आमी चर्चा थांबयतात. दोतोर देव बरें करूं. तूं आज बिजी आसतना तूं पणजे आज कोर्टाक आसतना टायमाक टायम काडून हांगा आयलो ताका लागून परत एकदां काळो
Thank you.
देव बरें करूं. आनीक आमचे सगळे पळोवपी आहा तांकांय देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV.